Are you stuck with the Windows 11 update KB5068221, failing to install, showing errors, or refusing to move past the download stage? You're not alone. Many Insider Preview users are running into this exact problem. In this guide, I'll show you proven fixes step by step so you can finally get KB5065782 installed without losing your files or breaking your system. 1. Start the app readiness service. Let's begin by enabling a service that's crucial for installing updates. Click on the Windows search bar and type Services. Open Services and scroll down to App Readiness. Double-click it. Set Startup Type to Automatic. Click Apply, then Start, and finally OK. Try the update again. If it fails, continue to the next step. 2. Pause and resume Windows Update. Open Settings Windows Update. Click Pause Updates. Wait for a few seconds, then click Resume Updates. This resets temporary update errors. Still stuck? Let's restart the services. 3. Restart Windows Update and Background Intelligent Transfer Service. Go to Services again. Find Windows Update, double-click it. Set it to Automatic, click Apply, then Start. Right-click it again and select Restart. Now do the same for Background Intelligent Transfer Service, BITS. Double-click it set to Automatic Apply Start Restart. Now retry the update. If it's still failing, you can install it manually. 4. Download update from Microsoft Update Catalog. Go to www.catalog.update.microsoft.com. In the search box, type KB5068221. Look for the version that matches your system, Windows 11 x64. Click Download, then click the .msu link. Once downloaded, run the file. Allow it to search and install the update. After installation, restart your PC. Still not working? Let's move to the next fix. 5. Use Windows Update Recovery feature. Open Settings Windows Update. Click on Advanced Options. Select Recovery Fix Problems using Windows Update. This will reinstall your current Windows version without deleting your files or apps. Once done, restart and check for updates. 6. Use the Media Creation tool to reinstall safely. Visit www.microsoft.com/software-download/Windows11. Download the Media Creation tool. Run the tool, accept terms. Choose Create Installation Media, select ISO file. Save the ISO on desktop. Once downloaded, double-click the ISO open setup.exe. Allow changes, click Next, then Install. Make sure keep personal files and apps as selected. This will reinstall Windows 11 and fix broken update components. 7. Enable .NET Framework. Let's start with a quick but powerful fix. Press Windows +R, type optional features.exe, and hit Enter. In the pop-up window, check both .NET Framework 3.5 and .NET Framework 4.8 Advanced Services. Click OK. Restart your PC. Why this works? Some updates rely on .NET services. If they're off, updates can fail instantly. 8. Use DISM and SFC to repair Windows. Now, let's repair your system files. Open Command Prompt as administrator. Type this command and press Enter. DISM/online/cleanupimage/RestoreHealth. After that, type SFC/scannow. Let both commands run fully. These tools will scan and repair any corrupted system files silently, a common cause of failed updates. 9. Disable VPN, proxy, and firewalls. Next up, let's make sure your PC can actually reach Microsoft servers. Turn off any VPN. Go to Settings, Network and Internet, Proxy. Disable everything. Temporarily pause your firewall or third-party antivirus. Many updates fail just because your connection is blocked. And that's it. By following these methods, you should be able to fix update KB5068221 and stop running into errors. These fixes are safe, effective, and used by thousands of users. If this helped you, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and drop a comment if you have any questions. I reply to everyone. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.
Life is a chase, I don't want a place, I wanna be first. Work till it hurts, dehydrated thirst till I'm in a hearse. High ambitions in the right mind can take you so far. It's like you lived a few lifetimes.